Alright, making a recording here at 559 Northeast 80th Street. Date is February 11th, 2021. Making this from the clean out here on the west side of the building. Having a footage malfunction there, but we are at 73 feet 9 inches at the main, coming back in a 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. This is out underneath 80th Street. Come into a section of PVC here. So a small section was repaired out somewhere sidewalkish. Got some roots coming in there. Large root mass coming there. Coming back into ABS plastic here. Around a couple of turns and up out of the clean out. Here's a clean out recording this from, ending the video there.